Video shows my journey from Allentown, Pennsylvania to West Point, New York, interrupted with a couple of stops, which are indicated on the map by the two blue markers. The first was at the Mack Trucks Historical Museum in Allentown itself. Mack first produced motorized vehicles in 1900, and the museum has a great collection of both restored and unrestored vehicles spanning that period. Previously, this location was the Engineering and Durability Testing Unit for Mack, and the free guided tour also includes a visit to an anechoic noise test chamber, as well as a dynamometer and wind tunnel test area. The bus in the photo is in the anechoic chamber. My second stop was in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, where I walked along the Hoover Mason Trestle, which overlooks the abandoned Bethlehem Steelworks. This trestle, like a High Line in New York, is a pedestrian area created from an old overhead railroad that used to supply materials to the blast furnaces. In addition to the industrial preservation, there is also an area of urban renewal with a Sands Casino, other businesses, and a concert area standing right next to the abandoned shell of the largest warehouse ever built in America. From there, I drove on to West Point, New York, and despite the journey being almost entirely on freeways, it was very pleasant and quite scenic in places as the route crossed the Appalachian Mountains.